In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho Books account. We'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. Whether you're transitioning to a new accounting platform or simply taking a break from Zoho Books, this guide will help you close your account efficiently and confidently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho Books website and navigate to the login page. Enter your credentials and you should find yourself on the home page of your account. This is your central hub, and from here you can manage all aspects of your business tracking. Now direct your attention to your profile icon. Typically you'll find this at the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select My Account. Clicking My Account takes you into the settings area where you have the option to adjust various aspects of your profile and account preferences. Next, you'll want to navigate to Settings. The Settings tab is a crucial part of the process, as it's where you'll find the specifics for closing your account. Once there, look for an option labelled Close Account. This can oftentimes be found under Account Settings or Privacy. Clicking Close Account will bring you to the stage where you're able to finalize the closure. At this point, you'll see the option titled Close Organization. If your intention is to close only one organization associated with your Zoho Books account, you would select Close Only the Organization. This is a good choice if you have multiple organizations and want to retain access to others. Conversely, if you're looking to close both the organization and account entirely, you would select Close Organization and Account. Remember, this is a significant action, so ensure you've backed up any necessary data before proceeding. Finally, once you've made your selection, click Proceed to confirm your decision. By clicking Proceed, you've completed the process of closing your Zoho Books account or organization. This will take a few moments, and then you should receive a confirmation that your account or organization has been successfully closed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to delete your Zoho Books account. We hope this process was clear and easy to follow. If you have any further questions or require assistance, Zoho customer support is always available to help. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Zoho Books account.